Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers affecting men worldwide. While there is no guaranteed way to prevent it, scientific research has shown that certain foods may help reduce the risk. By making thoughtful choices about your diet, you can support your prostate health and potentially lower your chances of developing this disease. Here are the top 7 foods that have been backed by scientific studies for their potential to reduce prostate cancer risk. First on the list is tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in a compound called lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their red color. Numerous studies have shown that lycopene may help protect cells from damage and slow the growth of cancerous cells. Research published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men who consumed more tomatoes and tomato-based products had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes, such as in sauces or soups, actually increases the availability of lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb. Including a variety of tomato products like fresh tomatoes, tomato sauce, and tomato juice in your diet is a simple and effective way to benefit from this nutrient. Next, we have cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These vegetables contain unique compounds called glucosinolates, which break down into biologically active compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol when chewed and digested. These compounds have been shown to promote the elimination of potential carcinogens from the body and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. A study from the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men who ate more servings of cruciferous vegetables had a reduced risk of developing aggressive prostate cancer. Try incorporating these vegetables into your meals regularly by adding them to salads, stir-fries, or as healthy side dishes. Third on the list are fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout. Fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a higher risk of several cancers, including prostate cancer. Studies, including research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have indicated that men who consume higher amounts of omega-3s may have a lower risk of advanced prostate cancer. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap the benefits of these healthy fats. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also find omega-3s in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Number 4, green tea has long been celebrated for its health benefits, and emerging research suggests it may also play a role in reducing prostate cancer risk. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, specifically epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG, which have been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and induce cancer cell death in laboratory studies. A review published in the journal Medicine found that men who regularly consumed green tea had a lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who didn't. Drinking a few cups of green tea each day is a simple and enjoyable way to add these protective antioxidants to your routine. Fifth, we turn to legumes and soy products, including beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Soy products are high in phytoestrogens, particularly isoflavones, which are plant compounds that may help regulate hormone levels in the body. Since prostate cancer is influenced by hormones, these compounds may offer protective benefits. Studies, such as one published in Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention, have shown that men who consume more soy foods have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer, especially in Asian populations where soy intake is traditionally high. Incorporate soy milk, edamame, or tofu into your meals for a boost of these protective compounds. Sixth on the list are berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and various phytochemicals that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause cellular damage that may lead to cancer. Research published in the journal Nutrition and Cancer suggests that diets high in antioxidant-rich foods like berries may help reduce the risk of several cancers, including prostate cancer. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a healthy snack to take advantage of their disease-fighting properties. Finally, nuts, particularly Brazil nuts, have shown promise in supporting prostate health. Brazil nuts are one of the best dietary sources of selenium, a trace mineral with antioxidant properties. Some studies, including research in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, have found that higher selenium levels are associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. However, it's important to note that too much selenium can be harmful, so moderation is key. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide the recommended daily amount of selenium. In addition to Brazil nuts, other nuts such as walnuts and almonds offer healthy fats, fiber, and other nutrients that support overall health. The evidence is clear. A diet rich in plant-based foods, healthy fats, and antioxidant-rich ingredients can play a significant role in supporting prostate health and reducing your cancer risk. It's important to remember that no single food or nutrient can guarantee prevention. Instead, focus on an overall healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and routine medical checkups. Incorporating these 7 foods into your daily meals doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Start your morning with a smoothie packed with berries and a handful of spinach, snack on a few Brazil nuts, enjoy a hearty bean and vegetable soup for lunch, and savor a dinner featuring grilled salmon with a side of roasted broccoli and tomatoes. Swap out sugary drinks for green tea, and explore new recipes featuring tofu or other soy products. As with any health advice, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you create a plan tailored to your individual needs. While genetics and age are factors you can't change, your everyday choices can make a difference. By filling your plate with these 7 foods, you're not just supporting your prostate. You're investing in your long-term health and well-being. Eat well, stay active, and empower yourself with the knowledge that small changes today can yield big benefits for your future.